And I know you were dying for me to talk about phospholipids and calcium, which is another group of second messengers, so let's discuss that while we're looking at this lovely picture. So we're looking at PIP2, phosphodilynocytyl 4,5-bisphosphate, which is a component of the plasma membrane. Here we're seeing that the hydrolysis of PIP2 is activated by PLC, which is phospholipase C, and yields diaglycerol and inositol phosphate, which is IP3. Remember that DAG, diaglycerol, activates the protein kinase C family that play a crucial role in cell growth and differentiation. So let's talk a little bit more about that. About calcium in particular. Calcium cellular concentration is maintained low by pumps that transport calcium across the plasma membrane and from the cytosol inside the endoplasmic reticulum. High concentrations of calcium activate the functions of proteins, including protein kinase and phosphatases. And phosphatases, if you remember, turn off while the kinases turn on the proteins. Many of the effects of calcium are mediated by the calcium-binding protein calmodulin, which is activated by calcium binding when the concentration of cytosolic calcium increases from 0.1 to 0.5 micromolar. Calmodulin, in turn, binds to a variety of target proteins, including the protein kinases, or CAMs. One of the proteins activated by the calcium calmodulin is a kinase called CAM, so remember this. So remember that the calcium binding proteins and calcium dependent pathways, these are conserved systems responsive to the level of calcium ion in the cell. So there's a great deal we could discuss about the calcium targets, but let's remember that the CAM is a protein kinase involved in most of the important signaling pathways in the cell. Most of these systems are evolutionarily conserved, with counterparts in vertebrates as well as non-vertebrate species, and the conservation of the principal calcium reactive systems through evolution bespeaks their importance in cell function. Okay, I think we'll leave it on there, and we will talk about some more.